हेलो दोस्तों, आज मैं कर रही हूँ एनएमएस 2024 का कोर्स साइंस का पेपर सॉल्व। सो नंबर फर्स्ट इज ए क्वेश्चन asked in paper is that which one project Tiger initiated in India? 1975, 1973, 1985 ki 2022. The correct answer is 1973. Now, which one of the scientists is called Birdman of India? C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, Salim Ali ki Jagdish Chandra. Correct answer is Salim Ali is known as a Birdman of India. Question number 3 is which one of the seed is example of monocotyledon monocots? Now, maize, chickpea, pigchans, pea ki soybean. Correct answer is maize is a correct answer. Now question number 4 is which one of these plants has a taproots? Maize, grass, beets, hibiscus. Answer is a hibiscus is a correct answer. Hibiscus has a taproots. The process of setting down of heavier insoluble compounds at the bottom of liquid is called decantation, sedimentation, sublimation, evaporations. Correct answer is sedimentations. Question number 6 is that which of one this is not example of millet? Jowar, wheat, ragi, bajra. Answer is a wheat is a correct answer. Now question number 7 is that which one of these disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C? Goiter, beriberi, scurvy, rickets. Answer is scurvy is a correct answer. In India, Big Dipper's stars is known as a Saptarishi, Dhruvatara, Mrigashree and Shikari. Answer option number A. Saptarishi is known as a Big Dipper stars is known as a India. Now, how many days does the moon take to complete the one revolution around the earth? 365 days, 88 days, 27 days, 16 days. Correct answer is 27 days. How many years does the Halley comet appear? 88 years, 12 years, 76 years, 66 years. Correct answer is 76 years. Now next question is in scientific work which of this scale temperature SI unit is used? Fahrenheit, Celsius, Pascals, Kelvins. Correct answer is Kelvins. Correct answer is Kelvins. Now question number 12 is which one of these scientists is known as a weather woman of India? She has invented the built a large number of weather measurement instrument. Anna Mani, Aditi Pant, Radha Balkrishna and Kalpana Chawla. And option number A is Anna Mani. Anna Mani is known as a weather woman of India. Question number 13 is that the bite play an important role in the digestion. Protein, carbohydrate, minerals, fats. Option number D is a correct answer. Fat. Question number 14 is a rhizobium is an example of symbiosis, insectivorous, parasites. None of this. Option number A is a correct answer. Symbiosis. Now next question is that question number 15. In human body, what is the length of small intestine? 9.5 meters, 40 meters, 3.5 meters, 7.5 meters. Correct answer is 7.5 meters. Now the process of which transfer of heat take place by actual movement of particles from one part of the body to another part is called conduction, convection, radiation, evaporation. Option number B is a correct answer. Convections. Now the sting of ant is a content hydrochloric acid, formic acid, sulfuric acid, ethanoic. Option number B is a formic acid. Question number 18. When CO2 gas passed through lime water is turned milky, which of the following compound is responsible for the milkiness? Calcium oxides, calcium chloride, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Option number D is a correct answer. Calcium carbonate. If the soil is too basic, it is treated with quicklime, salt, organic matters, water. Option number C is the correct answer, organic matter. Question number is 20. The process of deposition a layer of one metals over another metal surface to protect it from rusting is called galvanization, crystallization, amalgamation and neutralization. इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 में करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर तो होगा इलेक्ट्रोप्लेटिंग, बट ये 4 ऑप्शन दिए तो इसमें से है ग्लेवेनाइजेशन. Now next question is a 21. 21 is question asked, breathing of human rate being in a rest normal condition. Option number A 12-15 time in a minute, 15-18 time in a minute, 18-22 time in a minute and 22-25 time in a minute. Correct answer is a 22 time in a minutes. Now question number is 22. What is the usual pulse rate of resting person? 60 to 18 beats per minute, 70 to 80 beats per minute, 40 to 60 beats per minute, 30 to 50 beats per minute. Correct answer is a 70 to 18 beat per minute. Now question number 23 is, which of one of these is the male reproductive part of plant? Pistils, stamens, anthers, stigma. Question answer number B is the correct answer, stamen. ठीक है. Now question number 24 is, which one of the following is the weakest force of nature? Electrostatic force, gravitational force, nuclear force, magnetic force. Correct answer is the gravitational force. ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. लेकिन सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट जो फोर्स होता है वो होता है हमारा न्यूक्लियर फोर्स. न्यूक्लियर फोर्स इज ए स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट फोर्स. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 50 इज ए ह्यूमन कैन हियर साउंड इन द रेंज ऑफ 200 to 1000 Hz, 20 to 20,000 Hz, 2 to 20,000 Hz, 2020 2 lakh Hz. Correct answer is a 20 to 20,000 Hz. Now which type of force is a friction? Contact force, non-contact force, electrostatic force, magnetic force. Correct answer is a contact force. Question number 27. When electrons are immersed in water and electricity passed, the bubbles is formed on the negative terminal is actually gas, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. Correct answer is a hydrogen. Negatives होता है, जब भी नेगेटिव टर्मिनल्स होता है तो हाइड्रोजन होता है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल होता है तो ऑक्सीजन होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए 28. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? Lemon, distilled water, kerosene, coconut. Option A is the correct answer, lemon juice. Now question number 29 is a, which among the following is the purest form of carbon? Coal, coke, coal tar, coal gas. Option number B is the correct answer, coal. Now question number 13 is, in which month of kharif crop harvested? September, April, March and June. इस ऑप्शन में भी, इस क्वेश्चन में भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं दिए. करेक्ट होना चाहिए अक्टूबर टू नवंबर. तो मैं इस क्वेश्चन को मैं सही ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है, तो इसका मैं सही आंसर नहीं दे सकते इस ऑप्शन में, जो ऑप्शन दिए उसके अनुसार. नाउ हम अगले क्वेश्चन का पढ़ेंगे. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्रॉप वुड इनरिच द सॉइल ऑफ द विथ नाइट्रोजन? कौन सा नाइट्रोजन से रिच होता है? तो इसमें ऑप्शन दिए एप्पल, पी, पैडी, पोटैटो. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए पी. पी इज ए इनरिच द सॉइल विथ नाइट्रोजन. ठीक है. पी ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, पी क्रॉप वुड इनरिच द सॉइल विथ नाइट्रोजन. Question number 32. Which of the following is a male hormones? Testosterone, estrogens, progesterone, all of this. Option number A is the correct answer, testosterone. Now how many pair of chromosomes are present in human cell? 23, 22, 24, 25. Correct answer is a 23. 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in a human cell. Now question number 34. Which of these scientists discovered fermentation? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, John Mendel, Edward Jenner. Option number A is the correct answer. Louis Pasteur is the scientist discovered the fermentations. Now option number 13. Which of these used to measure the power of earthquake? Seismic, ionic scales, Richter scale, large scale. Option number C is the correct answer, Richter scales. आज हमने साइंस के पेपर सॉल्व किया. अब हम अगली बार करेंगे सोशल स्टडीज़ का पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.